Hi everyone, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. Next on our connective tissue proper list is reticular connective tissue. Reticular connective tissue we can identify once we see this network of reticular fibers. Reticular, when you see that word, think network or web. It actually means network. And it's a little tip to help us remember what those fibers are going to look like. All of this right here, this entire image, is reticular connective tissue. And we can see these darkened lines that kind of spider web out a little bit. And these darker lines here, I'll just draw a few of them out. There's some down here as well. These are going to be our reticular fibers. And reticular connective tissue can be found in the liver, the kidney, the spleen, lymph nodes, bone marrow, and it functions to provide a supporting framework.